This K760 with a 14-inch head has come in for service, and first thing I spotted was this fuel filter doing absolutely nothing. So that's more than likely pulled up debris into the carburetor, but we'll see. Might get lucky, might not. I've just had to retap these because these were a wee bit threaded, but there's a fixing been snapped off in that one. Might try and see if I can drill that and retap it. Might have to put a helicoil in there. So this is missing 3 fixings here, and this wasn't put back on properly, so whoever has been in here last has lost a few bits, not put bits back right. Also had the pre-filter missing. New pre-filter. New filter. New handle. And job done, just needs a clean up. Decompression valve in to take a bit of pressure off the recoil starter. Choke out.